sell 'em. I'ma buy a couple, yeah, so I can sell 'em. And if I put you to the test, I bet you fail 'em. I'm all about the cash now. The girl all on me, she showing me her ass now. Stripper, and I'm swimming through the cash now. Then your favorite rapper trash now. Jordan Belfort, the way I'm ballin', girls fallin' now. I'm Jordan Belfort, the way I started from the bottom, now I'm Jordan Belfort. Your girl wanna do me, now I'm Jordan Belfort. The Lord tryna find me, now I'm Jordan Belfort. I'm the woof, now I'm Jordan Belfort. I'm the woof, now I'm Jordan Belfort. Air Force One, nigga, I'm so fly. I'ma take it, girl, don't you ask me why. Hope she don't get addicted like my. Cause I'm a hitter, then I leave her, tell her bye, swerve. All I know is them Benjis and them commas. With the presidential rolling like Obama. All I know is them Benjis and them commas. I ain't gotta shoot, DJ kick the drama. Jordan Belfort, the way I'm ballin', girls fallin' now. I'm Jordan Belfort, the way I started from the bottom, now I'm Jordan Belfort. Your girl wanna do me, now I'm Jordan Belfort. The Lord tryna find me, now I'm Jordan Belfort. I'm the woof, now I'm Jordan Belfort. I'm the woof, now I'm Jordan Belfort.
It's the final round. Your word is BMO.
Can I have it in a sentence, please?
Build a savings habit with BMO.
Another sentence, please?
BMO rewards you every month you save.
One more?
No, it's just 3 letters.
Mo?
Judges.
Visit BMO.com/save to learn more. Conditions apply. Accounts are subject to approval and are provided in the United States by BMO Bank N.A. Member FDIC.
BMO.
Turn off that safe switch. Yes. Really get to eyeing you different, just know your place. Yeah. It really get to envy you too much that you don't know some. Gotta show some. Low some. Let it go some. Go ahead, ride your body tight, cool. But the vibe ain't hit, what it do? You talk to me insane like it's true. And they giving you that. But they can't tell you how I really go. And I know you really put it down for the show. Taking all the boss shit you wanna go. Boss life shit, yeah, you get the roll. Yeah, I and you, they really can't believe it. When you came out of the trenches, you made them really seen it. They pocket watching you every time they really need it. Know how you get, yeah, you did them all. Really on that bitch, but time barely move. Boss life shit, yeah, you time to really tune. Turn off that safe switch. Yes. Really get to eyeing you different, just know your place. Yeah. It really get to envy you too much that you don't know some. Gotta show some. Low some. Let it go some. I took a L and I know that I can't flex. Cause wasted time is just one of the worst crimes. I had your back when I thought that you had mine. Cause wasted time is just one of the worst crimes. You were my baby, yes, well everything was cool. Going in and leak, you know that I was down for you. Running up on bitches had me looking stupid. If it ain't gon' hurt, I know I gotta do it. But when you love something, you gotta set it free. Set it free, set it free. I was in your phone, but you wasn't texting me. I was in your phone, but you wasn't. Set it free. But when you love something, you gotta set it free. Set it free, set it free. I was in your phone, but you wasn't texting me. Back and forth, we on that shit. I'm not really fucking with this. If Papa's and a knife, forget. You would never understand. You were my baby, yes, well everything was cool. Going in and leak, you know that I was down for you. Running up on bitches had me looking stupid. If it ain't gon' hurt, I know I gotta do it. But when you love something, you gotta set it free. Set it free, set it free. I was in your phone, but you wasn't texting me. I was in your phone, but you wasn't. Set it free. But when you love something, you gotta set it free. Set it free, set it free. I was in your phone, but you wasn't texting me. I put in work so you know that I can't flex. But when you lose it, it's like it's the worst times. Got my mind on something like way back. I took a L cause I thought that we had next. You were my baby, I was tryna be cool. Going in and leak, you know that I was down for you. Running up on bitches like I'm really tripping. Got me in my feelings, I'm about to do it. But when you love something, you gotta set it free. Set it free, set it free. I was in your phone, but you wasn't texting me. I was in your phone, but you wasn't. Set it free, but when you love something, you gotta set it free. Set it free, set it free. I was in your phone, but you wasn't texting me.
Savage on the beat.
This on my head, I can't seem to get this shit out. But damn, I feel jaded. Shawty got me feeling no cloud. I don't know how to be regular, so I can be basic. She don't know how to be regular, she ain't no basic. I've been out here thinking shit up in my head. Damn it, I don't know if I control it. Baby got me thinking shit up on my bed. I can't really take you as an opponent. I don't want no smoke with you. I don't want no smoke. I don't want no smoke with you. I don't want no smoke. I know this hurt again, but let's be friends. I can't pretend with you, cause I don't want no smoke with you. I don't want no smoke. Damn, I know I got issues. Damn, I know I had to get it pimpin' too. But they say I moved though, usually I'm cool though. Damn, I know I had to get you. Yeah, I know I had too many damn issues. Damn, my head is so confused, I don't know how to cool. I don't really wanna let this go. I don't really wanna let you go. This ain't how I play, but I had to lay up. Had to say so, had to play it safe. This on my head, shit up out my head. Damn it, I don't know if I control it. Baby got me thinking shit up out my bed. I can't really take you as an opponent. I don't want no smoke with you. I don't want no smoke.
Mic check, mic check, mic check. What is going on, everybody? Hope you guys can hear me. Turn that down a little bit. Let me turn down the vocals a little bit. I was playing some of my tunes, man. Some of my tunes. But what is going on? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everybody that is tuned in right now, that is watching the streams. I really appreciate y'all for tuning in. There's some dope things we're gonna do today. Today is mainly just going to be trading somebody else's account. I decided to actually go ahead and trade somebody else's account, and that's actually my personal assistant's account. So I'm gonna be getting her on board in a little bit. But let me run you guys through some of my stats and show you where we're currently at and go from there. So unfortunately, my account dropped to like $900 on my personal account, thanks to fucking Bitcoin. There was a Bitcoin trade that kind of went left on me twice. It went left on me twice. This week's been really trash in my opinion when it comes to volatility. It wasn't any clean setups that I like to see. So that being said, I'm done trading my account right now, you know. And this goes for my personal account. So my personal account is literally at like $940. We was at just about $2,000, but now we dropped and lost a lot of funds, and I don't like how much I lost. So I'm not trading this week anymore on my personal account. Now on my funded account, pretty much the same exact thing, where I basically just lost a lot of money on it, and I got to recoup it all back. So I'm gonna be working on that on my funded account. I'm sorry, on the stage. This is my stage 2 account. Not this. This is actually my personal assistance account. I'm actually about to start trading, but on my personal account or my funded account, we did drop, and it was just due to the Bitcoin setups that I took, which I felt like I should have done better with those setups. So that being said, let's go ahead and see if we can get T in motion in the building. I actually want to send out a link to her. Let me figure out how to do that though. Let's see. Okay. Let me do this. Maybe if I go here, collab cam. All right, guys. So in the meantime, while we wait on that, share video source. How do I do that? Hold on, sorry. Video. What? Okay, there we go. So in the meantime, while we wait on that, I see a couple of you guys voted here, and a lot of you guys said a lot of you guys are trading oil, gold, or oil. I'm like 90% it is gold that everybody is trading right now, and we're gonna look at some gold trades. I kind of want to see if there is some gold setups. Maybe we can get in some gold setups for her account. My goal is to get past stage 1 for her, and then past stage 2. Oh geez, I'm looking at gold. Let me share this. I'm looking at gold right now, and gold is actually already to the moon. Let me go ahead and show you guys. It's like gold is already booming. That is pretty crazy. Hold on, I gotta show y'all this. Where is it at? Trading view. Oh, you guys can't even see it. I don't know why it does this. Okay, that's fine. It's not trying to allow me to show it, so I'm gonna have to do it on my web. I just do it here. Okay. So I'm looking for Bitcoin. I'm gonna add this in as a favorite. I'm going to add in gold. Wait, it's not called that. It's called this. I'm gonna add in gold for her. We're gonna do add to favorite. Definitely gonna do US 30. I gotta throw that in there, and of course I gotta throw in oil. All right, so now I got all of my favorites that I need. Let's go to gold so I can show you guys what's happening. Look at this. Look at this. It's crazy. Yeah, gold's been on a run since I don't know when, but gold's been moving for a very long time. It's been on a really good run, like no lie. So if you guys been buying, you're solid. All right, guys. So I see that we got T in motion in the building. T, can you hear me? I don't know if she can hear me. Let me see. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? All right, I think she can hear me. Okay, cool. And y'all can't see her yet, but y'all, she's on here. I'm gonna make sure she can see my setup, see everything. Let me go ahead and get her on board. Okay, T, you're live. Can you say something?
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Up, you froze. Oh, there you go. Say something.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
All right, let's see. Say that one more time. Let me make sure.
Yeah. Yep. Can you hear me?
All right, I think we can hear you. I don't know if I'm overpowering you, but I just want to make sure the chat can hear you. Guys, can you guys hear her? Go ahead, say something again, T.
Hey. Wow, now I can't find it.
We can hear. Yes, they can hear you.
All
All right, guys. So let me pause the music real quick. Let me just put it down low. So basically, guys, we have T Emotion in the building, as you guys see here. T Emotion, her Instagram. I think I need to share her Instagram. Can you send me your link, T, so I can go ahead and share it?
Of course. Why don't you have it?
So basically, guys, what we're going to be doing is growing T's account, and I am going to be working with her on basically turning nothing into something. She is a brand spanking new trader. I don't even think she even knows what an engulfing candle is. I don't even think she even knows what a bullish and a bearish candle looks like. So that is how new she is in the market. But I am here to I am here to take her from 0 to 1,000 from the knowledge and from the skill set and from the discipline set. So my goal is to work on her account. While I work on her account, I'm going to teach her everything she needs to know. Can you send it to me through the chat, through the Teams chat?
Yeah.
And then also I am going to, like I said, work on her account, get her to stage 2, then spun the stage, and then get her like a first payout and the whole process and such and such. And as I told you guys this before, if you guys like seeing this, I will be doing this with my other traders that's been in any of my products, purchasing any of my products from whatever it is. You guys will be a part of this as well. So this is something I decided to do, and we're going to see how this goes. So T, can you see my screen, by the way?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm sending you this thing on.
All right, cool. Got it. Okay, guys, I'm gonna share out her. I'm gonna need everybody to go ahead and do me a huge favor. and subscribe to her channel. How many subscribers do you have right now, Takina?
I was supposed to have 10.
You have how many?
I'm not.
You have 9 subscribers. All right, guys, let's get her to 50 subscribers. Our goal is to get her to 50 subscribers by, well, not the end of this month because it's already about to end. By the end of February. The goal is to get her to 50 to 100 subscribers by the end of February. Let's do that. I'm sending out the link now. I need you guys to go ahead and subscribe to her. And then I'm also going to post this in the description so you guys can go ahead and subscribe to her. Okay, this music is so disturbing. What is going on?
You didn't even tell them who I am. They just think I'm your personal assistant my whole life.
I'm gonna let you do your introduction, and I'm gonna let you do your introduction in a little bit.
That's wild. But no, I'm really excited to learn trading. Super, super lucrative. And I'm gonna need that attached to my name.
All right. So, T, go ahead and introduce yourself. Let people know who you are and what you do.
Hi guys, I'm T with T Motion. My real name is Tina Washington, but I know my team. I am a business manager, creator, and what should I say? Yeah, I'm just a creator, like super creative. I help business owners come up with ideas, I give advice, things like that. But I am getting into the world of day trading. I've been an entrepreneur for the past 6, 7 years now. So it's been really, really fun for me. But yeah, it's like I'm a mom, okay? Full-time entrepreneur. I love animals and I love making money. So yeah, that's my intro.
Nice.
I'm gonna exit you on the
I don't know if it's doubling on my end, but possibly.
yeah.
They couldn't hear. They didn't hear anything you said. So go ahead and say it again. I'm gonna mute myself. Mic check. You guys, they said they can't hear you. All right, try. All right, just get closer to the mic. Make sure your microphone is turned all the way up, and just try it again. I don't like this. See, we're gonna have to do it a different way because this Streamlab that I'm using, I was using OBS before, guys, but this Streamlab, like they got their own custom build thing in here. I don't like that. I think we're gonna go to Zoom next time we do this. But y'all saying I'm low, which is crazy because I'm like talking loud as shit, but can't hear anyone now. All right. I just turned up the volume. How about now? Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me?
Do you want to edit the video, but the phone has fewer features?
Trying to see if I can even hear myself.
Don't
Yo, my chat. Y'all can hear me. Takina, say something now. Wow, you're like, they can't hear anything you're saying. Yeah, she's definitely muted. I don't know how she's muted, and it's supposed to be showing her right here. It says the cam. We're gonna get you right. It was just working last time. Like I swear, this was working perfectly fine when I had T, come back, get off and come back on. All right, hopefully we can get it back on. But anywho, we're basically trading her account right now, guys. That's pretty much what's going on right now. We're trading her account, and we're gonna see if we can get some setups. No, I don't wanna. What? It's telling me to buy something. I don't need to buy nothing. All right. Yeah, this is kind of stupid. I should have just. I'm gonna just moving forth. I'm gonna do a Zoom call. T, say something. No, we can't hear you. Hold on. That's crazy. I can't hear it. Say something.
Say something. Say something.
Here we go.
I hear me.
Okay, so do you have me on the YouTube right now? Because I think I can hear myself twice on your end.
Yep. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yeah? No?
I can hear you.
Okay, good. Good. I was literally about to go put it on my like tablet or like my other computer.
All right. Mic check.
Mic check, testing, testing. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Hold on, don't say anything to you. Good. Mic check, mic check, mic check. No, I'm low as shit. What the fuck? How about now? I'm low. What the hell just happened? This makes no sense, y'all. Okay, let me try one more thing. Yo, Mike. Okay, T, say something.
T, say something. T, say something. Hello. 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 Hi.
Why do you sound echo though, T?
I don't know. Yeah. I mean, it's going to be really annoying because it's hard to hear. I'm hearing my thoughts. We're both loud. Okay, good. The echo.
How about now? Try now.
Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3.
Yo. Yo. Yo, I'm so sorry, y'all. This is so crazy. This was working perfect when I had 120 on here. I don't understand what happened.
Okay, can you hear me? If I just pause, it's just because I can hear myself talking, and it's just it was my brain. And
Yeah, go ahead, T. You good. All right, go ahead, introduce yourself, T. Let them know who you are, what you do, and what we're doing.
all right, guys. Hey, I'm just gonna like do that. You can still hear me, right, Solo? Oh my God, can you still hear me? Yeah, okay, good. I just pressed the mute button on my computer so I can hear myself talking. But hi guys. I am P with Motion. Okay, I am a full-time entrepreneur. I create content. I'm a creator. I'm a business manager. Honestly, I do a lot of things: direct, produce, videographer, photographer. I do it pretty much all. Okay, but the one thing I don't do is day trading. So let's pretty much hop into that. I want to add that to my list of streams of income. So I've dedicated some pretty dope time into getting to learn day trading and found a really good mentor. Solo, right? No, but yeah, I'm really excited to take you guys on this journey with me. I'm learning day trading, so chat totally helped me out when he's asking me really difficult questions, pretty much. But yeah, Trader Dummy is a concept that I pretty much came up with. And hopefully this can continue on into the future with obviously, once I've learned how to trade, we can bring in other people to start learning how to trade. Okay, so this is Trader Dummy live on YouTube. It's Thursday. This is a milestone for me, guys. So bear with me.
All right, guys. So as you heard it, yep, basically that's what it is. So that being said, let's go ahead and get her account set up. She has an account with Boer funded, 100K stage 1 account. And our goal is to get this account to stage 2, from stage 2 to funded, and then from funded to payout. And then from there, hopefully she's qualified to start getting her own payouts.
Huh? I will be.
All right, there we go. That's what I like to hear. So for sure. So I need everybody to go ahead and make sure you subscribe to her YouTube channel. Like I said, the goal is to get her to 50 subscribers and to 100 subscribers by February. So I need everybody that is watching right now, over 200 guys watching right now, I need everybody to go ahead and subscribe to her channel. Literally, T, can you put your channel on the chat, YouTube chat as well?
Mm-hmm. I'm hilarious. I said that like how to do that like, instantly, but give me like 2 seconds.
All right, guys. So let's look at Bitcoin. Right now it's 10. It is 10:18 a.m. Technically 11 a.m. Eastern time. So it's not really much I can trade when it comes to. Ooh, damn, this is dropping. Hold on. Let me share. My screen. T, can you still see my screen?
Yes.
All right. So what I'm going to do is go to, did you see it change?
Yeah, I'm not watching on YouTube. I'm watching in this.
That's fine.
Okay, right.
All right, guys. So, Oil kind of already did his play, and I'm not even gonna lie to you. I was expecting the move reversal, but it wasn't a setup for me to actually trade though. So I'm not necessarily tripping off of this play right here, but looking at US 30, I was actually in a sale earlier, and then I got out the sale, and that's what dropped like my personal account to also to like $940. Started with $100. Now we got it to 1,800, but then we dropped back down to 900 due to some Bitcoin trades that kind of threw me off, which was this moves, a lot of these plays right here. I think I got in a buy somewhere, and then this move had happened. I'm on a 15-minute time frame, by the way. I like to take these trades off a 5-minute time frame. But this fake out kind of got me, and then I had my stop loss here, and yeah, that happened. So that's basically that. But going into Bitcoin now, there is some nice clean setups that I see. Basically, we have some plays right now. Now, Takina, what you're seeing, don't worry about it because we're going to start from the ground up with you. So don't worry about it. But the main goal here is for me to make sure you understand as much as you can understand while I'm trading at the same time, if that makes sense.
Yeah. I'll let you keep going and then ask some questions.
Yeah, of course, of course. Let me okay. All right, cool. There is nothing really going on with Bitcoin for you right now. I need to I needed to save these. Let me like change this. There you go. We can still see UT. Okay. I just want to make sure that worked. Okay, that does. Cool. So, Bitcoin, let me go into our time frame. And then let's go ahead and see. I don't like this view. I like it when we damn, I keep forgetting how to do it. Here we go. All right, there we go. This is what I like. All right, so we know that her account, let me go ahead and turn on the drawing magnet. Stay on draw mode. All right. Okay, so basically we're looking for right now is we're looking for a pullback on Bitcoin. So I actually want to get on your account or get in the trade if I can see a setup with Bitcoin pulling back like it's doing now. I think if we pull out the rectangles, where's the rectangles at? I don't see it. There we go. Yeah, now we set. All right, so I'm gonna go to the 15-minute time frame. I kind of want to see if we have any wicks. We do got a lot of wicks right here. But the thing is, I don't know if this is the best pullback right now. We also got to fix your Fibonacci settings. So I'm going to go ahead and fix your Fib settings for you, T. So I'm just removing all of these because all of this is unnecessary in my eyes. And we're just going to keep this 0.50. And then I'm going to add in 2 new Fibonacci. So by the way, for those that's always asking me about my Fibs, this is it. This is it. So I'm going to add in a Fibonacci. It's going to be negative 0.27. And then the other one is going to be negative 0.618. All right. And then I'm going to make these red, or let's do like a gold color, which is like a TP color. I'm going to make this 0.50. We'll do a neutral color, like we'll just do something like this. And we're good to go. Now, basically, Takina, what I just did was I set my TP levels, right? Negative 27, negative 618. This is a Fibonacci retracement or Fibonacci sequence, which you don't know what it is right now, but we'll talk more about that in due sessions when we do these. But the idea here is Fibonacci sequence is basically used in life in general, right? So if I go here, I go to Fibonacci. Let's do Fibonacci levels, I guess. We'll do that. Basically, we can do babypips.com. I know a lot of you guys know babypips.com. So basically, Fibonacci himself, it's a guy named Fibonacci himself. And basically what he did was he kind of figured out a mathematical equation to figure out predicaments in life, right? To figure out the balance in life, to understand where things should be, how it should average out, how far it could go, how low it can go, and such and such. And when it comes to Fibonacci, this is used, like I said, in mainly art. And it's called the Fibonacci sequence. That's really the overall thing here, the overall scope. So if we go to like Wikipedia here, you will see it can get very technical, right? Very advanced. There's a lot of different theories in this and mathematical equations in this and such and such. So yeah, you can get deep in a rabbit hole if you ever want to get deep in a rabbit hole with Fibonacci, but we're not here to get deep in a rabbit hole because you'll be learning about this for years and still probably be confused. So the cool thing about that is now this whole concept is created called something called the Fibonacci retracement. So basically what the Fibonacci retracement does is it helps you figure out, it gives you like a grand scope of how far market could pull. And then if it pulls there, it gives you another scope of, all right, this level right here can essentially be a valid level, meaning that this is where we will see it stop moving and then it will reverse and go the other direction. And this is all thanks to Fibonacci himself. So like I said, a lot of this is created based off of mathematical equations, and a lot of big banks, a lot of institutionals, a lot of big players in the market use this sequence 24/7. So based off of my strategy, this is what we're going to be using like 90% of the time, because this is how I trade. I'm like a Fibonacci guru Fibonacci fanatic when it comes to using Fibonacci. I love it. I think it's the best tool ever to get your predicament of where you should buy the market or where you should sell the market, and where you should put your take profit or where you should put your stop loss. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you hear me? I don't know if you can hear me. You so quiet right now. I can't hear you.
Okay, can you?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, right. Well, I'm just listening. I was gonna let you keep, talking and I guess finish explaining your style of trading. It seems like what you're going over right now. So there's like a couple of things like that we gotta do before we get to like, I guess, choosing a style. Let me know when you're ready for my questions, I guess, and then we'll just go from there.
Yeah, go ahead. We listen. I think we're ready.
Okay, awesome. So you started moving a bunch of stuff off of my screen. I have no idea why you removed it or what you removed, right? So we can start there, and then maybe explain like the green and the red, right? And then explain like bearish or bullish, maybe.
Yeah.
And then after I like understand that, maybe I can understand this Fibonacci like sequence, because obviously it seems like it's tracking how far a trade can go up and or how far it can go down. And that's understandable. So yeah, just explain. Let's just start there. Explain to me the stuff that you removed off of my screen and why you felt like, it was unnecessary. And then explain this red and this green, and then the sell, the buy, bullish and bearish and all that good jazz. And then this Fibonacci sequence could possibly make more sense. But go ahead.
Nah, basically I just made the chart cleaner for me to navigate, so it'd be a lot easier for me to see. When I look at the charts, I don't like to have too much going on. So I just like to keep the charts here, and that's it, and that's pretty much why I did what I did there. And then obviously green is just the most common thing. Green is a bullish candle, right? When you see green candles, it's a bullish candle. And how that works is basically price opens in the starting of the candle, and it closes at the very top of the candle, right? So if you look closely right here at this candle right here, this is a very large candle. This is a green candle, which is something that's going up, which basically means a bullish candle. So essentially a bullish candle starts from the bottom, meaning that it opens from the bottom and then it closes at the very top, which is right here. So based off of a time frame. So if you look up top here, you see you got 5, 15, 1 hour, 4 hour. So if I change this, all of these bar candles that you see are 1 hour candles now. So you got 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. And now if I jump to the 5 minute, all of these candles are now 5 minute candles. So basically, if we go back to a 1 hour scope, you will see that right now, this candle is still moving because we're currently, 10:30 a.m. right now in the market, or it's 10:30 a.m. in general. So by the end of this hour, which would be basically 11, this candle will close. And what happens is, if within an hour, if this is a very strong candle, meaning that there was a lot of buyers in the hour, this candle will remain green. If there were more sellers in the hour, in this hour, then this candle will turn red and go it will reverse the other direction. So that's kind of how a bullish candle looks and kind of how a bullish candle operates. Now, when it comes to a red candle, this is what we call a bearish candle. Bear. Japanese candles, this is a Japanese thing. The reason why they call it a bearish candle is because they was like the claws of a bear goes down. So they're like, grr. Yeah. So they say bear, claws, goes down. That's where bears came from. So that being said, if you look at a bearish candle, it starts from the top because it's going down. So it opens from the top right here. This is open price. And then it closes in the bottom. This is the close price. So what happens is, if you were to get in the market, you would have sold it right here, and you probably would have took profit right here. Because once again, this is the open candle, because it's a bearish candle, and this is a closed candle. And then for a bullish candle, the open is down here, and then the close is down here, up top. And that's basically how that whole process works.
Okay, so using that, like, how do you know to buyers?
That's part of what we're going to be teaching, because it's a whole process to that. Like, it's not buy it when it goes up, buy it when it goes down. This is a whole process, and I'm gonna make sure you learn that as we go. So just keep that in mind. This is literally something you're gonna learn as we go. Because right now what we're trying to look for is some buy setups for Bitcoin. So my whole initial setup idea is this. I like to look at it. We're gonna look at it in this chart right here, because this is easier for me to do like markups. So I like to look for market to do this. Go up, create its very first pullback. This is what we call a pullback right here.
Where are you starting from? You gotta tell me, like, you know what I mean?
No, I'm not sure what you mean.
So you just started from that line from like maybe a quarter up in the middle of the screen. Like, why did you start that line there? Is it based off of something that you're looking at?
Yeah, so keep in mind. So you gotta listen. So what I'm saying is, this is a setup that I'm looking for. So let me break it down a little bit more in detail. So basically, I am looking for an uptrend, right? And when I spot my uptrend, I'm going to wait for price to drop at least 50% of this trend. Now, here's where it gets complicated for you. What do you mean by 50% of this trend? This is where Fibonacci comes in, that I mentioned to you. I draw my Fibonacci. If the price is going up, you always start it from the beginning of the trend. Just like, remember, bullish opens down below and it closes at the top. So you start it from the beginning, you draw it from the beginning, and then you draw it to the end of that trend. And then this right here, this blue mark right here, is my 50% level. So I like to look for price to close below 50% of this trend.
How do you know how far out to draw that Fibonacci graph?
That is the most complicated part that every advanced trader still asks me as of today. Where do you draw it? How do you draw it? And if you're drawing it there, is that correct?
Right.
that right now, don't worry about all that right now. You're gonna learn that in due time. But I'm giving you the concept of my strategy in the most easiest way to look at it. So, 1 second. Can y'all not hear the music? I can like hear the music, and I'm vibing right now. Takina, can you hear the music?
No music.
I'm literally vibing right now. That's crazy. Okay, hold on. Let me see.
Put some music on my side.
No, don't play the music on your YouTube because it's not gonna.
Yeah, I'm joking.
Hold on, I just did something I was supposed to do. Okay. How do I? Guys, give me like 2 seconds. I think I gotta do something. How do I add a video, audio input capture, audio output capture,
You should share your screen on that
capture,
Streamline so you can start to keep flipping back and forth.
desktop audio, add source. Nope, that's not it. Let's delete that one. Man, I think I'm about to go back to OBS because it was easier for me to use OBS. Streamlabs is a little bit... Okay, let's see if this one works. Ah, nice, nice. Okay, I think y'all might be able to hear some music soon. Let me just find the roadmap 1 minute. Campaign. There is solo. Where's the hip hop channel at? I got this hip hop channel. It's not showing me that. Okay, yeah, this is trash. I thought it was on here. It's not on here. This is trash.
It's just funny. The sound is sounding right now, and it's picking up every little thing. It's hilarious.
Man, I'm about to go back to OBS. All right, whatever. It is all Gucci. Because Hayes got Trading View. Channel YouTube. What's this? Nope. It's trying to play off of my YouTube studio. What? There we go. I see it now. All right, cool. Hopefully you guys can hear the music now. Let me see. Yo. This is like crazy. There's too much going on in this fucking street right now. It's like the music is all echoey now.
We don't hear anything. Chat, do you guys hear his music?
Yeah, it's playing on YouTube.
He said everything good. You hear that? I don't hear the music.
Yeah, you're not gonna hear it. All right, guys. So, mic check. All right, cool. So basically, I am trading a 100K account with a 1 to 100 leverage for her. But let's go back to what I was saying, T.
Mm-hmm. You're just trying to find a for me, or yeah.
So basically, I'm looking on price to break past. Can you hear me?
Strategy.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you,
Okay.
but now when I'm talking, I mute my entire computer because I can hear myself. Okay, so Loki wakes up a lot and then Joy talk. Okay. But yeah, you were finding a system that worked best for you, and then you're going to tell me why that was great.
Yeah, for sure. All right, guys. I'll figure out this. Next time we get her on the stream, I'm gonna figure it out. We're gonna do it through Zoom because this is a little bit extra right now. You know, I don't
So you're
understand.
stressing me out.
Yeah. OBS had it way better. Streamlab is just doing too much for me. I don't need all this. All right, but anywho, so I'm looking on market to pull back below this 50% mark. Once it does, I start to then look for setups. So one of the setups that I look for is Sakina. I'm gonna get you one of these, by the way. Is this right there.
I thought you were talking about a Lambo.
Yeah, we work on that. I don't think you want a Lambo. What you want, a G-Wagon?
I mean, G-Wagon would be nice, you know?
I can see you with the G-Wagon. But yeah, we're gonna get you this. So this is like my setup. I look for number 3. Number 3 is enter once you see price momentum. Up, she's gone. She's gone. I don't know what happened to her. Hold on. Are you there?
Yeah.
Hopefully they can hear you. All right. So as you guys see, this is my setup. Enter once price. Once you wait, what? Enter once you see price momentum can be seen as a candlestick pattern or price pattern. Basically, that's my setup. In a nutshell.
Can I ask a question?
Yeah.
So is that just something you literally use every time you open your trading screen and like you're looking at? Because right now the graphs, they mean nothing to you other than you taught me bullish and bearish, right? Okay, but I'm like I know in the future it's gonna mean more to me. But is that like that Fibonacci sequencing? Do you like every time you're looking at that graph, are you trying to find that sequence?
Exactly. So like right now we have US 30 basically created a beautiful uptrend as you see right here, and then it pulled back and it pulled below my blue mark, which is my 50% mark. And then here, this is when I start looking for like bullish engulfing candles, which once again, an engulfing candle, for those that don't know, and T that I know you don't know, an engulfing candle is just a candle that is engulfing the previous candle, meaning that this was the previous candle. It is 2 times bigger than the previous candle.
Oh, it's sarcastic. I understand.
So that is basically a way to identify that the buyers are stronger than the sellers. And if the buyers are stronger than the sellers, it usually creates this engulfing candle, which is this one right here. And then that's usually an indication that we should be going up. So it's kind of like what we see right now with US 30. As you see, we pretty much went to create an engulfing candle. Once it pulled back, we create this engulfing candle. So the idea is to get in a buy and then look for it to ride to my Fibonacci levels, which is my red levels that I already told you, which was -27 and -618. These are like my Fibonacci levels that I'm looking for market to tap into if we was to get in this trade. Now, the reason why I'm not getting in this trade is simply because of the time and simply because of the way it's been moving. It's moving in what we call a correction, consolidation. And all consolidation is when a market is going sideways.
Yeah.
So the market does 3 different ways. Market moves in 3 different ways. It either moves up, down, or sideways. And the cool thing about the way I trade is I know my strategies work for all 3. I can trade it going up, I can trade it going down, and I can trade it going sideways. And she's rolling up a fat blunt.
was trying to be so nonchalant. Jesus Christ.
I said this last time in my stream. How many of you guys smoke or drink when you trade?
No, I don't recommend either. Honestly, money's involved, but I'm learning right now. I'm not into shit. I mean nothing. I mean nothing. Bro said B, yeah, lost B lot. Okay.
I just smoke because I can control my high. Who else smokes while they trading?
I just smoke because I can't control my head. That is like that almost sounds like the saying like is water wet? Like that tripped me out.
Oh, my $100 account. Sorry, I thought you said $100K account. My $100 account. My $100 account. I got a 500 leverage. He said I smoke dabs and pins. I don't smoke, so
He has no idea what that is. Okay. So can I ask a question?
no, we gotta make some money on your account.
Okay.
Say the questions for later. I'm just playing.
Mm-hmm. I do, but don't tell nobody.
Oh, shit. Everybody know now.
Right. That's hilarious. Okay.
T, I'm gonna have to make your screen bigger. Go ahead and wait. Will we get in trouble if Takina was to spark up right now and take a fat ass inhale and just let it out?
No, but I hear you.
I need everybody to go ahead and like this video. Go ahead and like this video. Go ahead and like this video. I need everybody to go ahead and like this video.
No.
Let's get her to spark up right now. Oh, YouTube don't play. Don't do that. Don't do that. Okay, we're not talking about anything right now. Don't do that. But go ahead and like the video, guys.
I'm weak right now. You should have just not brought anything into it.
100 people said right now, 43% of y'all out of 100 votes said gold and oil is what y'all trading today. Well, congratulations, because gold's been doing numbers, like Larry June say. And US 30, oil is doing what it's doing, typical oil stuff, which is numbers too. Oh, if we start smoking, we can't monetize. That's stupid.
That's not true. But I hear you.
No, I don't want YouTube
All the
to
time.
do that.
Hello, make money. They're like 1.2 million views.
Man, the goal here is I'm trying to get Takina her G-Wagon so I can get my Lambo.
Okay, so what would you have normally traded this morning?
So I usually trade oil, and I've been trading Bitcoin a lot lately. Like Bitcoin's been doing numbers, like serious numbers. Like I'm gonna jump out on a higher scale. So like, look at this. I'm about to show you some basic stuff right now. So when I first started trading, there's something on TradingView called candles and bars and lines and all of these other different things. I use the line grid because if you use this line grid, look, what do you see? Just lines, right? So this was another way for you to obviously know what's going on in the market without having all that extra noise. Because if you look at the candles, it's like a little complex.
Yeah, because the candles mean different things. If they have like a little wick at the bottom or at the top, or just like a solid, I know they mean different things. So that line graph, honestly, might work.
Yeah. Right now we're down for the week. By the way, on my $100 account, we're at $900. We were at 18, literally yesterday, but we dropped to 900. And then on my funded account, we're down as well, thanks to Bitcoin.
What was I about to say? Why are you down? I mean, what took it down? Was that Bitcoin thing?
Yeah, it was this Bitcoin trade. It was It was a trade yesterday, which was like around here. It was that. That kind of screwed me over.
Random question. That little bunch right there, wouldn't you consider that like consolidation?
Mikhail, the special guest is T in Motion. She is my personal assistant, but she also does her own thing, entrepreneur, trader. She works with different entrepreneurs and CEOs, business owners and stuff like that. And she just wants to start making some more money. So I'm helping her, teaching her, and all of that. So guys, make sure you subscribe to her YouTube channel. T, can you put your YouTube channel again on the chat? Make sure we get people to subscribe to your YouTube channel.
Done. Hi, Mikhail.
How many subscribers you got right now, T?
I don't know.
I'll be damned if you ain't got nobody subscribing.
I don't go check. I don't want to see the number out loud. JK. Listen. It's not it. I don't understand.
Where you at?
You talking to me?
Yeah. Where's your subscriber count?
I'm literally, I can't even find how to play. Is it gonna lie?
What is it?
Okay, see now. It was
All
like
right.
my.
She got 13 subscribers. She started at 9 subscribers. We need more people to subscribe to her YouTube channel. Let's at least get to 20 subscribers today for her. I need everybody to go ahead and subscribe to her YouTube channel. Let's get her to 20 subscribers. Done. Zay, there we go. Who else is going to subscribe? Let's go ahead and get her subscriber count up. We're working on her account. She is so new to trading. This is why we call it Trade A Dummy.
It's actually really true. No, it's like brand speaking to me. Like I don't even know when you guys say like pips and find the TP. I'm like, go get you 20 for like what are you talking about? So no, I'm really excited to learn and figure out stuff. And again, be good at it. I love a challenge. It's pretty much like why I'm here today, honestly. Everybody says trading is challenging AF, but I'm known to accomplish and tackle the challenge.
If you guys ever want to trade with T, we got 15 subscribers. Cool. Let's get to 20 though. If you guys ever want to trade with T, she's willing to trade. Y'all go ahead and smoke up a blunt, smoke up whatever y'all want to smoke up. And y'all just go ahead and trade.
Huge crap.
We got like 5 people right now that says they willing to do that with you. They willing to get in a smoking trading session with you.
Oh, we're already doing that. So the chat is going to teach T how to trade. Okay. So I'm going to get on here and pull up my trading view. and then it's going to help me. I'm like, shall I buy or sell right now? Okay. That's hilarious.
So Takina, I want to show you if this trade that we did not get in because of the simple fact we kind of got in late and I wouldn't want to enter. I think we would enter like right here on your account, and I don't want to do that for your first account. You know, first impression is everything, so I got to make sure I do my part. So yeah. But I just want to show you what I mean by how accurate these TP levels are. So as you see, it tapped this 50% mark. And we're looking for US 30. Jesus Christ, I should have gotten this trade on my fucking personal account. And then we waiting on it to hit TP1, which is this red mark right here, which is that -.27 mark.
So when it hits that red mark, you said that's where you would get in?
That's where I would take profit.
What is that? What's the difference of taking profit and getting in the trade?
Entry, you got to obviously buy in the trade.
Okay,
and then
right.
Once you see it's going in your favor, you're gonna start seeing numbers that you like on your account, and you want to get out the trade. So I will get out the trade around this when I start seeing price coming close to this Fibonacci level.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so I feel like my beginner traders are gonna love shit out of me in this question. But what the hell do those little numbers like mean on the side that like keep fluctuating sometimes? No one knows.
I don't know how many beginner traders we have. I got a question for you guys. How many years and months of experience of trading you guys have? Can you all drop it on the chat? I'm gonna drop mine. Sakina, drop yours too.
Day years old. Okay. No, I'm just kidding. I got like solid months in the bag.
Okay, I can't even drop mine. We got 4 months, 6 years, 4 years, 1 week. Nice. Still poor as hell. 4 years and still poor as hell. 4 years. It does what you said. Okay, so we got 4 years, 1 week. Fluent. What did I say? I can't see this far.
Fluctuate. I don't know. Something. I don't think that's
Oh, okay. So you're saying that it fluctuates here and there. How many? What else, guys? Go ahead, drop it. Drop how many years or months you guys have or weeks you guys have of experience. I have 6 years.
Okay, so we got a new book here. I love it. I love it. Jeremiah for the year.
Six years turned. What? Okay,
30.
I gotta look on here because I cannot see that far. I don't know why. So you basically say 6 years turned 830 from last Monday to 7 today. 9 days of trading account. Nice. From last Monday. That's what's up. We got also 2 years in here. What was y'all biggest flex in y'all trading career? Meaning, like, what was the biggest come up you guys ever did? Because usually these big flex is usually what keeps you guys motivated to continue to trade and not give up. So I'm just curious to know, what was y'all biggest come up? Look at US 30. You don't remember? Okay. We got 200 to 1200. Nice. US 30 is doing great. Takina, I just want you to really see what these strategies is and how it works. Somebody said after 1 week of trading on a demo, I made around $40, which made me realize I could buy some McDonald's and it's legit.
Oh my God.
You said on the gas?
Sully. Yeah. Okay. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Okay? I like y'all.
And then we got turning 300 into 3K in a trade. Nice. Passed my first funded account. Nice.
Nice.
I was on the right side. What?
Of the first. I was on.
So you basically did 700 pips plus. Jesus, that's a lot.
What's the tip? Tell me what you did. What's the, like what makes us exciting?
A pip is basically an increment of price. So if price move 1 point, that's 1 pip. If price moves another point, that's another pip.
And some of those little numbers.
Yep. Fast track funding. I mean, fast track trading. They're not even a thing no more. I made 1,200 on my first funded payouts. But wait, what? I made 1,200 on my first funded payout by the grace of God because of the company shut down. Dang, yeah, I remember that. Yeah, fast track. I knew fast track funding, and I wasn't trying to deem on them, but I knew fast track funding was going to soon like go the other way because the way that they was doing a program was like it wasn't. I just looked at it like it wasn't going to do much long term. Like they was going to lose out long term because they was paying too many people out all at once.
I have a question for the chat. Was something that you guys didn't know when you first started trading, and like you're still struggling with it this very day? So you're like T, don't worry about that. Like that's gonna take some time to learn. So like, you can go first if you want.
You gotta say that slower because you said like 20 like.
Suck it. Okay. So so what I'm saying is there's something that you didn't know when you first started trading that you still struggle with to this very day, where you're like, T, don't even worry about that. That's gonna take some time, honestly, just to understand and just to be able to react the right way. Psychology.
Yeah, I'm gonna just say psychology. It's still psychology. That's the biggest issue that any trader probably would have, psychology. Because inside of psychology, there's a lot of things in there that you got to worry about.
Not having emotions.
Over trading. Somebody mentioned holding trades, like marrying a trade. Meaning, when people say marrying a trade, it's like this right here, right? Let's say like you got in a buy on US 30, and it never hit your TP yet, but the trade went all the way left. And your account is like negative $500, and you're like, I'm hoping to God that this goes back this way so my account could be positive $500. But you're holding this trade, meaning you're just marrying the trade because you're hoping that it switches around so your account, so you don't actually lose the money on your account. So think of your bank account. Think of your bank account. Let's say you got $10,000 in your bank account, and you got in this move or this trade, and you see the equity of your account is going down to like $5,000, and you're like, damn, if I close this trade, I just confirmed that I lost $5,000 in my account. Do I want to close this trade? So you tell yourself no, because you're like, well, I hope this trade goes back in my favor so I can have my $10,000 back in my account. And that's the holding the trade mindset or marrying the trade mindset that people have. Like 90% of traders have that issue.
I understand. So really, that's why I kind of felt like, I mean, I like the idea. I'm not gonna lie, of staying in trade for a long time. I think that's like called swing trading. So how can you create that difference for me of like, what's the difference in like holding trades and marrying trades versus swing trading on purpose?
Great question. So a swing trader is somebody that would usually trade and hold that trade for like weeks, but that was already their initial process before getting in a trade. Meaning like this right now, I'm on a 1 hour time frame, Takina. So every candle that you see is 1 hour long. So if we start down here, there's this chart down here that gives you like the date and the time. And down here it says January 25th. Nope, sorry. It says Monday, January 3rd, 2025. If I was to buy it here, I would be holding this trade out possibly up until here, which is the 28th of January. This is a swing move, meaning that you're swinging it for a very long period of time because you're trying to hold it for weeks, months, years. That's what swing traders do. But you initially have an idea set to, let's say that you enter the market right here and you have a stop loss. Now, what a stop loss is, I'm pretty sure you kind of been doing your homework as well. What a stop loss is very simple. It's basically telling you if price reaches $400, take me out the trade. And it's going to automatically take you out the trade. But the problem that we traders face is we don't like to lose, right? Who wants to lose money? Raise your hand if you want to lose money, or drop a 1 down if you want to lose money.
Don't put the 1.
as you see, nobody wrote, or obviously nobody's not putting their hand up because it's only me and you. But as you see, nobody's not saying one. Nobody don't want to lose a damn dollar, right? They invest this money for a reason. So the problem that a trader faces mentally is that when we see it going down, but we're like, damn, our stop loss is here. Sometimes we remove our stop loss because we're like, it might, because what happens is price does sometimes come down a little bit and then it goes back in your favor.
Mm-hmm.
And that's where traders get that intuition of, let me remove my stop loss. I had that $400, or I had it. If I lose $400, I'm going to get out the trade. It's going to take me out automatically. No, let's just remove that. I don't want that no more. So they remove that. And then what happens is, instead of it actually going up, they hold the position and marry the trade, and it's still going down, still going down. So now it was negative $400, where they could have took the loss there. But now they're like negative $1,000. And they're like, ah, shit. You know what? Let me at least just get it back to negative 400 and I'll get out the trade. I promise to the trading guys, I will get out this trade if you please bring this market up to negative $400. I will. Please, trading guys, help me. So they will basically have that mindset, and this will happen, but then it will never happen. And then they just blew their entire account. So that whole $1,000 account they had now is $0. So you basically just lost $1,000.
Understood. So real quick, I understand stop losses, I understand trades. ATM loss a lot. Or Stephen just said, when you break the trend line, I'm done. What's a trend line? I mean, explain it with that.
Somebody said something about a trend line?
Yeah, the ATM guy. ATM loss.
What did you say about when it breaks a trend line, I'm done. Laugh out loud. That's a strategy. That's a strategy. That's something like you'll learn later down the road.
Wait, I can't hear you.
You can't hear me?
Yeah, when I re-explain that.
I said a trend line, we'll have to break that down. It's almost like a strategy, right? But it's like connecting dots. You're basically looking at these wicks and you're just drawing out a line and you're just playing connect the dot. And all he's saying is when it goes this way and breaks that, he's out the trade.
Oh, because it either went down or up and it broke. Okay, I get it.
By the way, I like that concept. I like that idea, that strategy you got. I need everybody to do me a favor. Go ahead and subscribe to Takina's TM Motion YouTube channel. She got 16 subscribers. We need to get her to 20 on this stream. I need everybody here to go ahead and subscribe to her YouTube channel. What she's going to be doing on her YouTube channel, Takina, can you please elaborate again what you're doing on your YouTube channel? And why should they subscribe to your YouTube channel?
Because I honestly don't have. But other than that, I'm gonna need this. But no, you guys should be following and subscribing to my YouTube channel because taking you guys on my trading journey. Okay, I'm already a full-time entrepreneur, so I spend a lot of my time either at home with my son or honestly on Zoom calls with CEOs. Right. A lot of the CEOs that I do know are into day trading, and they say it's super, super lucrative, but it's a challenge. But if you know T, I love to tackle a challenge. So come along with me on my journey to tackling these challenges, creating new goals for multiple streams of income, and just growing a successful life. Right? The fuck, right? And then you guys just follow my journey and copy some of my strategies and techniques and honestly make your own life successful. That's what the whole page is for, right? So hop on my page and figure out like how you can figure out your passions, your dreams, and things like that, and make my son's like being crazy right now. But
go ahead and take over the stream a little bit. I'll be right back.
Obviously accomplishing your goals and tackling your dreams, right? So I do this by myself every day as a single mom, and I've found a way to be able to stay home with him and still work at the same time and make a decent income. So this is really exciting for me to get to take you guys on my journey. So definitely go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel at T_in_motion. And then go ahead and follow my Instagram page at T_in_motion as well.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna ask him about he asked if I know like spread margins and stuff like that, the profit department. I love that you're helping me learn. Like I can't wait just to be on like I'm gonna get on live with myself, guys, and like I'm gonna have the chat help me trade, okay? So I want to see you guys on here the same faces. But Trade A Dummie is gonna go live every Wednesday. I know it's Thursday today. We were supposed to be live yesterday. So look out for Trade A Dummie live every Wednesday morning.
Every Wednesday morning. You guys heard that. Can you hear me, T? Can you hear me?
Now,
All
weird.
Just making sure you can hear me. What I was trying to do is I want to do one screen. I want to create. So are you watching on YouTube too, T?
I kind of have to because you're not showing your screen on the Streamline.
I'm not?
No, so keep clicking back and forth to like YouTube. Like watch.
Oh shit. No, that's not good. All right, hold on. Look. Let me see.
But it was okay because I was wanting to watch the chat as well, interactive with you guys.
Video capture device. Okay, you should be able to see it now. So I'm about to create another
Yeah.
Hear me out for 2 seconds. Yeah, I'm about to do something real quick. I'm about to like create a while we live, I'm about to go ahead and add it. I'm about to go ahead and no, Takina, I need you to stay right here. While we are live, I'm about to go ahead and add it something real quick. So, all right, T. So I'm about to make you super big. I need to do two things. Let me go here. Let me take my blue line and then go back here and then paste it. All right, guys, I'm about to add it a stream real quick.
Okay, that's what you're doing. You didn't even tell us.
All right, so wait, where'd she go? Why do I have her on here twice?
Okay, I'm back. Yeah.
Come back real quick if you can. I just want to know why you're on here twice.
Because it's everything loves me. Okay.
You're literally on here twice. That is crazy.
Why? Oh, hell yeah.
All right.
Give it to me. Give it to me. It's funny. Okay. What are we doing?
Where am I at? Let me see right here.
Oh Lord, what are we gonna do? This is the quiz section. What's bears? What's bullets? What do we do?
No, I'm just trying to fix this camera.
Gotcha.
Here we go.
Yeah, ATM. Like I'm gonna see you in my next live. You talking next? Good.
What do I think about silver? Oh, I haven't brought silver in a minute.
I mean, scroll back up. There's some of that others.
Yeah, I haven't brought silver in a minute.
I'll snap. I'm saying.
Okay, T. So go ahead and I need everybody to go ahead. I need everybody to go ahead and subscribe to her YouTube channel.
Subscribe to the YouTube channel. If I get 100 subscribers next week,
Stream.
I'll mail my favorite jacket out of my closet to that 100 subscriber. Hopefully it's a girl. If it's not, I'll do a solo's favorite jacket when I get my subscriber.
Cool. All right, so yeah, I just had to. Let me do this. Go to stream. ATM calling you twin. Y'all twins?
You got this fucking point. What do you know what it looks like? Okay. Brother from another mother. Okay. But while he's messed up, guys, do me a favor. Go ahead and like this video, okay? Like, please let me get a lot off his page. So let me show him some love. Go ahead and like this video. Comment a couple times in the comment section. Y'all are already subscribed. Y'all are loyal AF. Okay, that's why I'm trying to steal your family, your YouTube family.
Hey, my family is your family.
Like his video.
I'm your twin too. All right, that's what's up. Make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. I've been waiting on the Bitcoin setup since we've been talking about it, and it's not doing anything interesting right now. So, let me go back to the screen. So it's not doing anything interesting right now. Still waiting on a setup, literally.
I'm learning something. So, like, pretty much it means I should be this patient. Just because I woke up and trade at 9 a.m. don't mean get in a trade at 9 a.m. Possibly wait until 11:17.
Yeah, essentially.
I get that. I get that.
If you can double like you would. Waiting on this buy. You caught a good. I have not traded Forex in a long time. Thanks to me. Nice. To walk me through what you learned and the reason why you got in that setup. This week's been so fucking whack. Like nothing's really been showing up, setting up. He said, how market, I'm about to do a one. Today market's been doing one-on-ones. He told me how to trade the news. Ah, man, that's what's up. That's what's up. I love it. Trump ski. Trump ski. So guys, basically what we're doing is we're working on her account right now with Boer funded. She has a funded account, so we're like working on her account right now to try to get stage 1 passed, go into stage 2 and whatnot, you know. And I'm still working on my personal account. We're at, you can't really see the numbers, but we're at $930. We started at $100 in the beginning of this month. We up. That's cool. I'm just trying not to do nothing crazy with trading to this week. I don't think this week is giving me any clean setups. The only clean setups I see is Bitcoin. Only clean setups I've been seeing is Bitcoin. You know, even though Bitcoin kind of did me bogus yesterday, I still believe that there's a lot of great opportunity with Bitcoin because, as you guys see, like, look, we have this right here. We got a line, we got a wave pattern right here. Takina, you're gonna learn a lot about this soon, but we got 1, 2, and 3. Boom, went up. 3 moves. It's always 3 to 5 moves. When the market goes sideways, you're gonna see it hit the trend line. Takina, it's gonna hit the trend line at least 3 times or 5 times. It hit 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, and after that, market goes up. Here it had hit 1, 2, and 3, and then it went up. That's 3 hits.
Sorry, show me where it again.
So the market goes in a correction. Remember, a correction is the market going sideways, right? Sometimes the sideways correction can be going down a little bit, going up a little bit, but it's correcting itself. It's not doing any major momentum. Hopefully I'm not scaring you away when I'm talking like momentum. You know what I'm getting at? Momentum meaning like it's not strong momentum where it's like very big candles. These are like small candles. But notice right here we had hit 3 times. Basically we did a 1, a 2, and a 3, and then it went up. Here we did 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then it went up.
Okay. I'm like, show me the one.
So then now, if I was to draw it from, I'm drawing my Fibonacci from here to here. And the reason why I'm drawing it from here is simply because market started the trend here because there was a pullback right here. Just a little pullback.
What's
So
a pullback?
a pullback, remember, a pullback is when it's a correction, essentially.
And then what's the correction?
Correction is when you usually see the market just going sideways.
Right. It's consolidation.
Yep.
Understood. Okay, and then I just ask you something. Why are these blue and white versus
Mine's is just blue and white. I just like blue. You know, blue is my favorite color.
color?
Yeah, I just changed the color. You can change it to whatever you want. That's a cool, like, you can go fucking crazy with this. You can change the background color if you want to, the purple, pink, white, green, yellow, orange. You can change the candles to whatever you want. Like, here, I'll show you a little bit.
Please don't.
So, like, you can, yeah, so, like, look, any of these colors you want.
Maybe buy pink and then
No, I'm going back to mine. But you can definitely change the candles if you want. Like, yeah, you can adjust the candles.
that's the worst.
So whatever color you want, yeah. Mine's is just white and blue is buys, white is sell.
I love that.
So yeah, right now I was trying to figure out this move. So no, look at this, Takina. You see how market tapped the red levels perfectly and it's pulling back again?
Mm-hmm.
This is that Fibonacci play that I was telling you about. This is like why I like to have my TP levels, take profit levels here, because that just indicates that, okay, the market could pull back again. So let me go ahead and get out before that happens.
But what part of this now? What part of this is showing me to get out?
The fibs. I use the fibs to figure it out. Or once again, this is also looking back left. Like there's a lot of stuff you'll be learning, like supply, demand, major key levels, support, resistance, blah, 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 blah. Yeah. You know?
No.
I know. I know. How do you join the $100 challenge? So essentially you just got to stay on my live streams. I mean, that's pretty much really what it is. You just stay on my live streams, subscribe if you haven't, and turn the notifications on. Ooh, my thing is about to die. Let me charge this.
You'll learn over time by looking at the volume of each candle movement. Right?
T, you got to be more in the center. I can't really see you.
Right.
Yeah. Are you smoking right now or something? I think she's smoking on the side, y'all. I think that blunt she was rolling up, she's smoking it on the side. As long as you don't say the word, the W word, or as long as you don't show it on screen, we're good. You could probably show like something else, but yeah, we're good.
I'm not talking about it. All right, you in the okay. Now, how to be specific by question? Okay, so can you know that Fibonacci?
One thing, not to cut you, one thing I want to mention real quick, guys. One thing I've been noticing with Bitcoin, because I haven't been trading it in a long time, I realized at around this time, this is where the corrections happen. I've been realizing that. And that's probably why I took so many losses yesterday, because I was trading while I was in the correction like this. This is the correction. This is the correction. And this is about to be a correction. So I'm realizing that. So one thing I'm about to do is pull up my sessions indicator. And I'm just going to see something. Just real quick. I just want to see something. This was a correction. Inside of a correction. 1, 2, 3. Correction. Okay, I got to do some study on this. Honestly, this is not good enough data for me to be figuring this out. How do you know where to get out? Is part of your rules? Yes, it's definitely part of my rules. You guys really got to make sure you like tune into my live streams as much as you can, because I would love to say everything all in one stream, but I can't. Like, I want to teach T all in one stream, but that's not going to happen, right? T, what are you doing in the side?
Oh my God! It's literally moments that I'm just like using the lighter. I'm just lighting my candle. I'm lighting the candle.
Are you lighting a candle right now? Let me see the smoke of the candle.
So bullish shares. Like, I'm so confused right now. Okay. I want to ask about this Fibonacci, but I understand you're not trying to get too much sauce or whatever. You know, too much and your eyes get burning, and I understand that. We don't want to burn our eyes, right? But I want to know, you had the Fibonacci graph up there, and you were like, see how the top bar is 2 or 3 times perfectly, but you see how it's slowing it down. So why didn't you say it? Or why didn't you want to get out?
I don't know why you're so choppy on my end, but I think they can hear you perfectly. Next time we do this, we're going to get you on Zoom, because this is like not it.
Understood.
But I kind of heard you. Basically, all I'm doing is waiting on a pullback for Bitcoin. Remember, a pullback is just where price is just pulling back from a major move, which was going up. And we know that it's going up. Up.
You can teach some stuff? Tell me.
It was the...
Oh my God. Okay.
But at the end of the day, price is going up, and I'm waiting on it to pull back. And when it pulls back, this is indicating that the market is setting itself up to go up again. Because the thing here is, price can never just do this. It will never just go straight, right? You clearly see it go up and then come, go up and then come. The way I like to break it down is this. If you're trying to run a marathon, right? Obviously, you're going to give it your all maybe in the beginning, but you're going to get tired. So that's where exhaustion comes in with the price, meaning that there was a lot of buyers coming in. They don't always have the money to keep buying and buying and buying, right? So what happens is price needs to drop. So sellers will have to come in because they are tired now. It's like running a marathon. You run it, now you're tired, so you're slowing down a bit. And then once you got your energy back, you're ready to go right back in the market. That is exactly what is happening in the market 24/7. It goes up. I'm tired. Let's stop. Let's go back. The thing that we're trying to figure out here is, all right, when you're done catching all of your energy, we need to know when you're going to be ready to go again, to run that marathon, to run that sprint again that you want to do for the marathon. We got to figure that out. And once we know an idea of like, all right, she ran a mile straight. Now she's a little tired and she's about to go back to running a mile again. We need to figure out when T is about to go ahead and start running that mile again. All right. And all of that is based off of these strategies, these Fibonacci sequence, like all of these tools, right? There's a lot of tools you can use in trading to figure this out. The Fibonacci, Elliott wave theory, whack-off theory, smart money concepts, ICT concepts, trend lines, moving averages, the RSI is called the RSI or the stochastics. There's a lot of these different tools that we use to figure out when we should be ready to enter in the market again. And that is all we're doing in a nutshell.
So when you first started trading, what strategy were you using?
I was using the basic trend line. Like my very first year of trading was my lucky year. That's where I turned like an unemployment check. I got fired from my job. So I turned my unemployment $600 check into $25,000. And I kid you not, I still got this on my phone. It's because it just brings back so many memories. But I kid you not, this is when I was trading gold. This was what year was this? I don't know, whatever 6 years at that time was. But this is when I was just trading gold mainly. And like, I think like New Zealand USD, something like that. And all I was doing was just drawing this. I was like, I just seen some YouTube video. I was like, every time it hits the trend line, just buy it. I was like, okay, I don't know why I'm buying it, but fuck it. I brought it, it went up. Hit the trend line again, it went up. I'm just like, damn, this is easy. And then I was just drawing trend lines, and every time I hit the trend line, I would just buy it. And basically, when that happened, I made a lot of money. So I didn't know nothing about risk management. I didn't know nothing about discipline. I didn't know nothing about psychology. None of this never clicked to me. And I remember at the time where my account got to like 25K, this is when I started adding a bunch of shit on my Amazon cart that was like $5,000. I was like, I'm about to just buy stuff. And I was telling all of my homies like, yo, look at this, look at my account. This is when MT4, MT5 was, when we was able to really trade it in the USA. But I was trading on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, which is a trading platform, like Trade Locker, TradingView. Okay. But I was trading, I was showing him like, look at this money, And everybody was like, man, bro, you should take it out. Just take it out. I was like, no, why? I'm gonna keep it going. I only put $600 in. If I lose it, I lose $600 at the end of the day. All right, bro. All right. I'm like, yeah, all right. So at the time, the next week had happened. And when next week had happened, I don't know how or why, but the trading guys was so against me at the time. I maybe should have did some trading, praying, make sure the trading guys would have been in my favor at the time, but they wasn't in my favor at the time. Whatever happened, the price had created a gap. And what a gap looks like is when on Friday, the market closes, right? And it'll usually close right here. What ended up happening is the market, and I was in a buy, right? So I was up like, on this one account, I was up like $3,000, right? On this one trade. And then the market went completely left and it like gapped. And then my account went to like negative $5,000, something crazy. So I was like, what the fuck? Oh no. Oh, I think she got out. Let me see what happened. Oh, she's back. Are you back?
Yeah, no, like I didn't. We just in this brand.
Okay, I think it's just something that it does on this
yeah,
But basically, it gapped, and when a market gapped, hold on, let me share my screen so you can see.
Share it on stream.
Yeah.
Time to keep flipping back and forth.
So the market gapped, and when the market gapped, I was negative $5,000. So this is when I wanted to marry the trade. I was like, fuck, I got to get my money back. And mind you, I was already up like $20,000. So I'm like, my mindset was different then. Oh, I was greedy. I was greedy for every little dollar. I was like, no, I got to get this back. I get my account back to 25K because I was at, or 22K or whatever. Because now I was at like 18K on my account. And I was like, I got to get it back. So eventually it went up and I was like, all right, cool. And then out of nowhere, it just kept doing this. And then the next week, I blew and lost every single thing, including damn near my $600. So that right there taught me a lot. It taught me don't give up because shit, you can make money. And it taught me like, okay, what the fuck? I need to like focus on something. And that was learning how to control my discipline and all that fun stuff. So
I appreciate honestly those stories because it's just a bit more realistic and I can prepare myself like slightly more instead of people just saying like, do it, make more money. So yeah.
Oh, wait, there we go, right there. So yeah, it happens. So what are you doing on the side? Like, I know you got something going on the side over there. Can you see YouTube screen? Like right now, you're like on a full screen right now. Can you see on YouTube?
No.
Go on YouTube real quick and see how the screen looks so you can see what I see.
Okay. Oh. Okay. All right. Yeah.
So I am trading Boer funded on my prop firm. I'm already on stage 2. My share that I passed stage 1 with the certificate I got, I'm already on stage 2. The reason why I'm with Boer, obviously, is like great partnership I got. So for those that are interested in mentorship, if you want any mentorship exclusively through me, I am doing it once a month. We're either going to be going live every month. We're going to start this next month, by the way. But I'm going to be going live like I'm doing here, or I'm going to be doing like answering y'all questions, going over detailed strategy of how to actually like make money and be profitable, really. But I'm doing that exclusively only on Boer. So it's called Take One Solo Trades. That is the name of the program. So if you guys are interested in that, the cool thing is you get a very nice discount code, which I don't even share to the public. It's only available if you guys sign up through the link down there in the bottom called tradewithsolo.com, or you can just go ahead and check the link down there. But when you guys sign up, you basically be able to get that exclusive discount, and you can use that to purchase an account. And then when you purchase that account, make sure you guys go on the Discord, on Boer's Discord, and you submit a ticket and you show your proof. When you show your proof, basically, they're going to give you a role that will be added to you on the Discord community, and then you guys will be able to see the channel. Like I said, this is brand new, so we're getting. I see we got probably like 6 people already that tapped into this, so that's pretty cool to see that. Let's try to get 100 people if we can before we start our next class or our first class. But basically, that's exactly what we're going to be doing. So if you guys are interested in that, you can definitely tap in. That link is down below, or you can just do tradewithsolo.com and you can get in tune with that. And like I said, you get a better discount code because right now I offer 30%, but you get like 50% for the, really 50% is about to end by Saturday or Sunday. And then we drop it down to 40%. But that's only exclusively if you literally sign up through tradewithsolo.com. Literally just put in your name, your email, and that's it. And you got the code. Other than that, that's pretty much that. Make sure you guys subscribe to T Emotions YouTube channel, guys. We're going to be doing like some cool things. I want to actually trade her account offline too. I'm going to be trying to take some trades offline. So I'm going to always make sure I share it on like our Discord, our Solo Network Discord that we have. And hopefully also share it on YouTube as well. But I am working on that.
Core channels too. I'm going to be in the mentorship too. So if you want to talk to me too, join the mentorship.
And then other than that, on my personal account, I'm using Hankotrade just because of the low spreads they have. You guys know I'm a big scalper, so I need low spreads. So I am using Hankotrade to trade my personal account, which is a $100 account. You guys see right there, Hankotrade. Yeah, that's the broker. If you guys want access to that, link is in the description too. But other than that, guys, I think we're going to sign out. I think we're going to end today's stream off with that. T, do you have anything you want to mention?
Other than thanks for having me on solo. Like it's been good, you know. I want everybody to know that. Let me mute myself. This is really distracting. You can still hear me, right? Yeah. Okay. So I want everybody to know that coming on and really cool and engaged with me, and that obviously subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. I'm going to be having and hosting like little giveaways. I know I mentioned something on my Instagram about $100 giveaway. When I logged on to this live, I was at 9. Okay, but I think we're like higher than we were from when we started. So that's great. So thank you guys for showing some love and support for your girl. Again, follow my Instagram channel at T_in_motion, and then obviously my YouTube channel at T_in_motion. I'm gonna be learning how to trade on there. Show you guys a little bit about my own entrepreneurship and things like that. You guys will get to see like a little bit of the day in the life with T. So thank you for having me on solo.
Yeah, and by the way, I'm gonna get Mike 120 on here. I know a lot of you guys keep asking about him. I'm actually about to text him now and be like, yo, they asking about you. They keep asking about you. So we're gonna get him on here too as well. Maybe we can get T, Mike, all in here. Maybe we can have like a whole thing going. Yeah, so we're gonna do that. But other than that, y'all, I appreciate y'all. Your boy Solo, I'm out. Everybody take care. Peace, baby.
Sometimes I gotta let this one go. Sometimes I gotta let my feelings go. And I've been tripping hard. And I've been thinking too long. And I know I've been tripping. Caught in the moment, got in your feelings. Young girl, I miss it. Holding a pistol in case they start tripping. Come be my dog. I got you cool if you let me whip it. I heard you doing things, I know I'm tripping. I know you asked it if I'm getting no appearance. And what the diamonds costing? See, I got you Victoria's Secret is a zine. But let me go hurry, I know you're link. I'm talking that body, I know you're a freak. I know you know a thing. If we got too much on this plate, and I can't let it sink. And I've been dreaming too long. I've been on this scene with you wrong. Let it ring, let it ring, let it ring, 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 ring. Let's got something, got something, got something. No, 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 no. Just let it ring, let it ring, let it ring, 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 ring. It got something, got something, got something. No, no, no. Yeah.
Oh, you a girl.
Yo, it's only so get out of here.
I've been out here feeling me on a regular. Fucking with this dream, preparation. You don't like I'm on that same shit, let me elevate you. Working through that patience, termination. This is how it is, tell me now. You really with it, then I'm feeling I've been out of line. Man, I cannot catch me out my temp, been a lot of high. And if you fucking with me, then you ain't never lie. I know, you gon' be my dog if you ready. But you still fuck with me if I fall. 'Cause I would never do you wrong, no. I would never switch you up, no. But I would never change on you, this is what I see in you. I got big visions for that plan, this is me and you. Never change, too much change. Feeling like you know what's on. I ain't never lied, but I had it wrong. Dreaming big, chase it back. With me, then you with me, we gon' run it back. double shift, she gotta get her grind on. All this overtake she work, and she missed her time home. But I get it, you got children, you gotta put your mind on it. This the realest shit that's happening, this money's not slow. Let's make it rain on them. Just fuck it up, I know you really out here sound. But if you with it, we gon' roll it up for the man, homies. Just fuck it up, I know I'm about it, it's a hang on it. I know, you gon' be my dog if you ready. Would you still fuck with me if I fall? I would never do you wrong, no. I would never switch you up, no. But I would never change on you, this is what I see in you. I got big visions for that plan, this is me and you.